Good afternoon, welcome to Embedded World. Rich Nass with Embedded Computing Design. I'm in the ADLINK booth. It is booth Hall 3, booth 147. I actually walked by and I saw this really cool demo. So I stopped Henri Parmentier. He's a senior product manager with ADLINK, and I asked him to describe what we're seeing here, and I thought you'd be interested as well. Henri, can you describe this?
Sure. This is really a special setup, right? We have two systems. One is x86 based, the other one is ARM based. The x86 system is having a camera connected, tracking the ball, and giving instructions over TSN enabled network to the ARM based system, which is correcting the plates here. And we are running the ball in a simultaneous 8. So it shows the power of real-time networking and what you can do with it. So imagine this is only 30 centimeters away, but we can do that over 100 meters. We have a camera that can track something, and an action can happen 100 meters further. In real time, no delay.
Is that the beauty of TSN that makes that possible?
Yes, it's exactly the beauty of TSN, that it's really not, it has no limitations in terms of platform it's running on or architecture it's running on. It's really running simultaneously.
And what specifically is each of the boards doing?
Well, this board is tracking the ball, right?
Through the camera.
Yeah, through the camera. It's tracking the ball, and we programmed that the ball needs to run an 8. And it gives instructions to the second system here that is controlling the servos inside this plate, and it's making the ball running an 8.
And what are the operating systems that you're running?
This one is running Debian, and this one is running a Yocto release. So they're totally two different operating systems.
That's awesome.
Both of them are Linux-based, of course, right?
Thank you very much. Come see it for yourself at the ADLINK booth, Hall 3, booth 147.